All right, if you are looking for some new sexy patio furniture, including matching dining room sets and fans, the whole kit and caboodle, hopefully this video can help you out. All right, thanks for clicking. If you're watching this video, you're probably interested in a beautiful outdoor patio set. Check this out, little context. I was visiting some family and they had recently purchased this entire outdoor patio furniture set. So let me just give you a visual tour, and of course links down below for this and other recommended options for you. Hello, pup. So here it is. Look how beautiful, brand new, high quality, and comfy. Not a bad place to sit, swivel, and relax. Love the colors, love the quality. Give you some more angles here. Cheers. Now here's one of the side tables. Pretty good quality, I think. Level, drinks not spilling. And some more angles for you for the chairs. Table.
Oh boy.
There's the hound. So here's the brand. Here's the back. I just think this is absolutely gorgeous. Very practical as well. There's a look underneath. Well made. Like I said, durable. All right, let's head on over to the fan before we drop down to the dining patio furniture. The fan also matches in color. Is beautiful as well, as you can see. Look at that textured pattern. And they bought two of these fans. It's quite a sizable screened-in porch area, but it installs pretty easily. There's another view for you as well. Just gorgeous, I think. And everything ties together beautifully in terms of color matching and quality. So they did a great job. Now, as far as the dining table set goes, here it is. You can see the patio, the extra patio set furniture behind, kind of in the background. So very similar, if not the same color. You can decorate it beautifully as well. Some more angles for you. And it's got this kind of weathered pattern to it. Painted well, sealed up tight. Well made underneath. Plenty of screws. Pretty heavy, high quality. And we'll leave it at that.